We're 11 days into the month so far, and that's $46,000 on crack revenue, $49,000 on max bounty. Now, the opportunity is endless. There's money everywhere. There are secrets to this world, and there are tricks to how to do things. OnlyFans! Woo! So many people making big money with OnlyFans. You got models, you got every single which way, everything, every category imaginable, basically on OnlyFans. People making monthly subscription revenue, which is a great income. Recurring revenue is some of the best income you could possibly get. 254 million monthly visitors. You can charge whatever you want. You can do even free subscriptions, and you can do paid subscriptions. OnlyFans is a very powerful way to make money. You can sell education products, you can sell memberships, you can sell groups, just being in groups, marketing groups, or for learning how to cook or something like that. It's just a great way to sell anything. Here's how you can basically market your OnlyFans. This is TrafficJunky, one of the biggest adult marketing freaking traffic sources in the world, and they're very straightforward, very easy to do. I have tutorials on my channel of how to do this. I make a lot of money thanks to this traffic source. I don't promote people's OnlyFans or anything like that. I guess I could in the future, maybe if I'm incentivized enough to do it. To grow someone's OnlyFans, it's so freaking easy if you know what to do. And so that's why I'm going to talk about each traffic source here and how you can use it to promote OnlyFans, if you do OnlyFans or not. And they have multiple, sites you can run with. You can run with that one right there, or you can run with tons of other ones. And they basically they don't have pop under, but you can do banner ads and you can do in-stream ads like video ads. And they have a lot of different placements for each of those type of things. Different ad dimensions. This one's 300 by 250. They have other ad dimensions as well. So TrafficJunky is one of the best to do. And how you actually do it to promote your OnlyFans is I recommend you do banner advertising and you understand what your OnlyFans is all about. Is your OnlyFans, just know who you are. I'm not going to get too descriptive on anything, but just know who you are, know who your fans might be, and then just call them out in the ad. Call them out. Say what you're selling, the features and the benefits, and then say what the price point is, and then have a button for a call to action. Say, subscribe to my OnlyFans now, or whatever you want to do there. Then split test different images inside of your ad. And that's one of the best ways to do it. And then you can target United States, any country that your subscribers are from. You can probably see inside your analytics what countries your subscribers are from. And then you can basically see that. You can move forward from there, basically, and make an ad calling them exactly out. And you can target the exact countries that would actually convert and subscribe. This is TikTok right here. If you're an OnlyFans girl, for example, you could do TikTok dances and stand out. You could showcase your personality. You could be funny. You could do storytelling, you could do skits, all sorts of stuff. There's obviously tons of content here, very entertaining clips here, like tons of freaking people here. And TikTok's a big platform. It's really blown up. As you can see, they get 1 billion per month and they're on the uptrend in a way. Obviously, YouTube's one of the biggest. Ultimately, what you want to do is every single day you want to come out with up to 3 different videos. If you do 3 videos, it's enough for TikTok's algorithm where you can get pushed out there, but it's not too many where you won't get seen at all. The one thing about TikTok is you want to go for virality for each post because, content gets lost. The only time the content can get found is on the For You page. So you need to make content that really captures people's attention and gets shared and has really good metrics of anyone who's a new person seeing your video and then you go to subscribe or follow the account you have for TikTok, that's a good metric. A lot of people liking the videos, good metric. A lot of people watching the video till the end, good metric. The longer the video, the better. And really study, because here's the thing, if you go down your feed, usually you're just going to see the top content on TikTok, just a bunch of top content that's working. Take notes and see why it's working and then apply that to what you're doing and you're going to get found. Now, TikTok, it does require work just like any one of these platforms, but it builds a relationship, okay, with freaking people who are watching. And then when they spend enough time with you, they're more likely to move forward down the funnel that you have, and they're going to subscribe to your OnlyFans, or they're going to convert on any offers you're promoting or selling. You don't have to do OnlyFans, but this video is kind of about OnlyFans. Just tons of content. There's endless content. So how do you stand out? You look at what's worked for others, that's exceptionally worked for others, and you basically model after success. How you crush it with YouTube is it's cool because content gets found, and content has a lot of places it can get found through search, through discovery, through the homepage, suggested videos, and even external traffic sources and shares and who knows what, just everywhere. The ultimate way to do YouTube is you really want to vlog your life. If you're doing an OnlyFans, you want to vlog your life, try on hauls. I've seen that before. Anything that showcases, what you like to do, what your interests, what your hobbies are, to showcase your personality. If you want to do search traffic and rank for a certain entire niche, do that. Ultimately, you really want to get into suggested, get discovered that way. Look at how some of the biggest OnlyFans accounts have gotten found. A lot of them are celebrities. A lot of them are not also. Belly Delphine, whoever she is, I forgot her name fully. She did a lot of weird / viral stunts. She even did like music videos and stuff like this, just very out of the box type videos, and she got found that way, and that's how she grew on OnlyFans is one example I can remember. And she leveraged YouTube big time and TikTok and all these platforms. Look at success and where it's happened and double down and copy. Try to innovate as much as you can. It does require work to do content marketing, but it's the most guaranteed way to grow and sell anything you wanna do. I make a lot of money from YouTube from my 2 YouTube channels. I'm very grateful to YouTube. Everyone who has a YouTube channel is grateful to YouTube. YouTube's the biggest platform in the world, as you can see here. Instagram here. So here's an example of a model right here. Rachel Cook. She, I think she has OnlyFans. I'm not sure exactly, but maybe she has paid content. If she doesn't have anything she's selling, she's not very smart to do that. But I randomly found this account here by searching model. It looks like she's got 3.3 million followers. That's a lot of followers, okay? And I'm sure she can monetize good. Click the link here, you're able to see what she's selling. But ultimately, she probably does content, all over the place, but this is just an Instagram example. Just post, you get found. You can do shout out for shout outs with other accounts. You can get found that way. And that's very, very powerful. So there's an example of how you do it with Instagram. So ultimately, what you want to do, and this is like the final point here, is if you do a TikTok, a YouTube, and an Instagram, and then you leverage TrafficJunky to run traffic to your social medias, so you can basically have a website that links to all your different social medias and to your OnlyFans and anything else you want to promote or sell. That could be very, very effective. You can make a lot of money and you can build a relationship with people and grow your followings and everything. And don't forget the fact that TrafficJunky is the cheapest of all the cheapest types of traffic you can get. Obviously, there's pop under traffic on other websites, so we won't talk about that in this video. Facebook's super expensive. YouTube ads are more expensive than this. You can get insane amount of reach with TrafficJunky. If you want to learn more how to do this, I have programs, I have coaching calls and stuff like that, and mentorships that I can help you out with that. Subscribe if you're new. Thank you for watching Learn Machines, and peace out, learning machines.